You've heard the hype: no down payment, no PMI, low rates, but what actually is a VA home loan? If you're a veteran, active duty military, reservist, or eligible spouse, this loan could save you tens of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what the VA loan is, how it works, and why it might be the best mortgage option out there for you or for those who have served. Now, whether you're buying your first home or this is your fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth home, this is the video you've been waiting for. And we're going to get into why. Now, the VA home loan is a mortgage loan program guaranteed by the United States Department of Veteran Affairs. It was created in 1944 as part of the original GI Bill to help World War II veterans reintegrate into civilian life. And it's still going strong today. But here are the key points about the VA loan. The VA loan doesn't lend you money. Instead, they guarantee a portion of your loan through a private lender like a bank, a credit union, or a mortgage company. Now, that guarantee gives lenders the confidence to offer better terms, especially for borrowers who might not have a huge down payment, like a lot of our military, or who may not have perfect credit, like a lot of our military. It's available to veterans, active duty service members, certain National Guard and Reserve members, and some surviving spouses. So we're going to get into all those requirements as well. Now, what makes the VA loan so powerful? Great question. Here are the top benefits. One, there's no down payment requirement. Whereas with FHA, you got 3.5, conventional, about 5. So that's right, no down payment on most homes, assuming your price fits the entitlement. Number 2, no PMI or private mortgage insurance. This alone can save you $100 to $300 per month compared to FHA or conventional loans. Number 3, you often get competitive interest rates. VA loan rates are often 1/4 to 0.5% lower than conventional loan limits. Number 4, flexible credit and debt to income requirements. You don't need to have perfect credit to qualify. Many lenders will accept VA borrowers with scores as low as 580 to 620. In fact, the VA doesn't even have a credit score requirement. That requirement is a lender-based requirement. Number 5, you can use it more than once. I've used mine about 4 times. The VA loan isn't a one-time benefit. You can use it again and again, as long as you meet the qualifications and have eligibility. We'll get into that as well. Number 6, you get foreclosure protection and funding fee exemptions. Disabled veterans and Purple Heart recipients may qualify to waive their VA funding fee entirely, saving you even more money. Now let's address some common misconceptions right away. The VA loan is not a free ride. You may not need a down payment, but you'll still have to pay. Now you're going to pay the appraisal fee, inspection fees. There may be title and escrow fees depending on how your contract is written. There will be lender fees and often a VA funding fee unless you're exempt. You'll still need to qualify. The VA loan guarantees your loan, but the lender ultimately decides whether to approve you or not. Now you must use it for your primary residence. You cannot use your VA loan to buy an investment property. Or can you? I'll get into that in another video about how I can help you build a multi-million-dollar real estate portfolio using the VA loan. Now, one of the most misunderstood parts about the VA loan is that the funding fee. This is a one-time fee charged by the VA to keep the program running. It's not a lender's profit and it's not a lender's fee. And it ranges from 1.25% to 3.3% of the loan amount, depending on whether it's your first use or not. Every time you use it, that funding fee goes up a little bit. Now, if you make a down payment, it adjusts your fee as well. And your military category, active reserve, etc., determines as well. For example, if you buy a $300,000 house, you put zero money down, your funding fee might be about $6,900. That's 2.3%. Now, this can be rolled into the loan instead of paid up front, which is a fantastic option. Now, veterans with a 10% or higher VA disability rating don't have to pay a VA funding fee. Your entitlement is the amount the VA is willing to guarantee for your loan. Now, if you've never used your VA loan or you've paid off a previous one, You're likely to have full entitlement, which means that there's no loan limits, sort of. Now, if you've used part of your entitlement and still have it tied up in your property, you may be subject to a VA loan limit in your county. Well, let's recap what we kind of talked about so far. The VA home loan is not just a mortgage, it's a hard earned benefit that gives you, the veteran, and the veteran spouse in certain situations, and military families access to home ownership with unmatched flexibility and savings. So, whether you're thinking about buying your first home, refinancing, or, well, just want to understand what your options are, you owe it to yourself to explore the VA loan fully. In the next video, we're going to go over how to qualify, including looking at the exact service requirements, what counts as active duty, and how to get your certificate of eligibility. Now, if you found this helpful, please make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button and share it with your friends, especially your veteran friends who may not have all of this information. Now, drop any questions in the comments and I'll answer them in a full video. Now, this is video one of a huge series of everything you need to know about the VA loan. Now, you've served, you've earned this. Now, let's make it work for you.